All right, so what we're doing today is safety with the Harley bobber project. We bought this knockoff train horn. It's got this cute little compressor with it. We looked at putting an actual train horn on here, and there's really just nowhere to fit a compressor, and the ones we were looking at were 3 horns in one, and there's nowhere to put them. We're gonna take this horn that we've already taken off the little bracket. Sounds like this. We're gonna place that with this guy. See how this is gonna go. First, now what we did, we put a bracket right here, and we're gonna put another bracket, this guy, right here, and that's gonna hold the compressor. You guys in there see? There's 2 little back plate right here that we stuck in there. I don't know if y'all can see down there. We're not. Built this bracket for the top of the horn, and we have a hole down here. We're going to put another bolt through for the bottom of this thing. It's going to sit like this, and then the compressor is going to sit right outside here. Hopefully there's enough clearance when we turn the wheel, and see how that goes. I'm gonna try and get you guys a good angle. The brake line's kind of in the way. So we got the bottom bolt in. We're gonna put the top one on right here. Then we'll do the air compressor. I don't expect this to last that long because this bracket's plastic. So is this. The horn's actually metal, which is nice. And stuff's probably gonna get in it unless I can figure out a way to put this cover over it. Maybe that'll be a later subject. Right now I just want to get it on because it's it looks cool. So that's on there. It's fairly sturdy. Now we're going to put the compressor on the other bracket, and it's going to sit probably like this. So the whole setup will look like that. Not really sure how this is going to turn out. We had to rebend our bracket, which kind of like poo, but I don't really expect this thing to hold up that well anyway. Maybe for a few rides, and then it'll probably fall off, or a rock will hit it or something. I don't know. We'll have a bird's nest inside the horn. So now we're gonna connect a hose from here down into here, and then hook it up. There's the hose for the air. I wanted to make sure it was smooth, it didn't have any pinches in it, no kinks, so we could have good airflow coming into our horn. I am gonna have to come back and really tighten all this stuff down. And what's really kind of shitty about this is with the amount of vibration that this thing puts out, I'm gonna have to check these things pretty regularly, which is kind of a pain. I guess I'll do it once a week or something, I don't know. However much to check everything else on the bike, which is probably gonna be never. Now, we have ground wire, we have positive. Yep, where they're gonna be. It's probably gonna get hot too and melt this plastic. Another reason why I don't think it's gonna last, but we'll see. Now, see what it sounds like. You guys heard that horn from before. Not working. So, I'm pretty sure we have a problem with this guy. The original positive wire going to the other horn. So what we did, I didn't record any of it, but I have this neat little bracket right here that this is connected to some LED lights we have underneath the tank that we did put underneath the spring seat that we had on it. But we took that off because it just was terrible. So put another switch on here for the horn. Whoa. Now what we're gonna have to do is put it in line with the ignition, because right now the ignition is off and you can still, God, that thing is loud. You can still work it. So the ignition on, still works. With it off, still works. Jesus. This thing is, it's gonna be fun to ride, definitely. We still have a lot of stuff to do. I wanna clean up all the wiring, look at that, to get it right, but it's old. And just like our dirt bikes, I'm gonna beat it up while I'm riding it, I'm sure. But I'll keep an update video for this horn and whatever we've done to this bike when we start riding it in the springtime throughout the back roads around here, and we'll see how this horn holds up. I don't have high expectations of it just because it is cheap knockoff, but the thing is loud. I mean, it is, I'm impressed with how loud it is actually. So here's the original horn, and now the train horn. So I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. If y'all have any ideas of something else I should do to it, let me know. I just like tinkering around with stuff, especially this thing, and just adding fun gadgets to it, I guess. Until next time, I'm 10 West Moto, and I'll see you guys on the starting line.